So I'm going to go ahead and tell you about it. I have my laptop here so I can read about it. But this is the brand is Hi-O, and this whole thing is available on Amazon, which I will link that down below for you guys. But it is a period starter kit, but it's reusable pads. Now, this is something I have never used in the past, but when this company reached out to me, and they are a smaller company, they are family owned, it's women that own this company. When they reached out to me and kind of told me the background, basically they were saying that they came from a family that didn't have a lot of money, and one of the things that they always came across was it was expensive to have to buy pads, so that they felt like it would be really, really good to be able to come up with a really good reusable pad that's going to save women money. So that's kind of what the inspiration behind this whole thing was, which I completely think is awesome. Plus, I am so big on supporting women who own businesses. Like, I think that's super, super important. So they are hygienic, reusable, recyclable, and environmental friendly. They keep you clean and dry while saving you extra cash to spend on the things you want and love. The all-natural bamboo charcoal fiber material effectively decomposes any microorganisms present on the pad or in the air around it. We provide 2 layers of all-natural bamboo charcoal fiber and a waterproof layer to keep you clean, dry, and hygienic all day, every day. Say bye-bye to odor and bacteria. Leak-proof technology with 2-button snaps and our special sewing methods will protect from any leaks and spills, keeping you comfortable and fresh all day. We could keep our pads soft and gentle to your touch while ensuring durability and rigor in containing flows. Perfect as postpartum maxi pads or washable cloth incontinence pads for women also. They're easy to wash and dry. You can just throw it into the washing machine to wash your pads, or you can hand wash them. To dry them, you can put into a dryer or just air dry. You don't even need a mesh bag to wash them or the sun to dry them. That comes with it looks like this, and it has like this little button thing here, and obviously the little zipper on the front. So that's what that looks like. Super nice, actually, very nice quality. Now this is what the actual pads look like. So they are it feels almost like flannel. It's so soft, you guys. Like it's really, really nice. These are a nice thickness also. And then on the back you have snaps. So there's 2 different sizes, so you can get it to fit around your underwear securely. But super, super high quality. I'm very, very impressed with these. And then as far as the length and everything, I feel like it's a good size. So you get 6 of those, they look like. But yeah, I mean, they seem very, very high quality. And like I said, they're getting very high ratings. And if these last 3 to 4 years, at $29.99, that is going to save a ton of money on having to purchase pads. Because, like, you figure, what, a month's worth of pads is probably $5. So basically in 5 or 6 months, you have already paid for 3 to 4 years worth of pads with this, which is crazy. So, like I said, I will leave all that information down below in the description bar. And then there's also, in with these, there is a 10% off coupon. The code is ILOVEHIO, which is what it looks like. I will also put that down in the description bar if you guys are interested. But let me know, you guys, if you decide to pick these up and try them, or if you've ever tried any other reusable pads that you enjoyed. But yeah, I'm definitely like really excited about this. So definitely, go check these out and give this lady-owned business some love. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.